with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to work on a 4-pocket book. But first I'd like to do a shout out to Denise, Joyce, Carolina, Nancy, and Maybelline. And a special thank you to Ricky. Oh my goodness, Ricky sent me happy mail. And I quickly want to show you one of the beautiful little envelopes that she made and sent to me. Isn't that beautiful? This is her card. She also sent me her card, and y'all need to check out her Pinterest page. I'll put it in the description below. Alrighty, so that just really made me very, very happy, Ricky. Thank you so much. So you want to start out with, I like to use a double-sided piece of paper, and it is just paper. It's not cardstock. Although I think you could probably make it with cardstock. I'm not sure. It might be too bulky. But this is a 10 by 10 square. And what you want to do first is you'll want to take and fold it corner to corner, just like that. And fold it down nicely. Open it back up, and then you'll need to take each corner and fold it into the center. And you'll have that line there, your fold, from when you folded it corner to corner, and fold all the corners in. Just like this. This reminded me of that thing we used to make in grade school. Remember that square thing that fit in your fingers? And I don't know if y'all remember that, but it was so much fun. And instantly I thought of that when I saw this. So now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to ink around the edge. I'm going to take it to my sewing machine, and I am going to stitch around the edge just so when we put it back together, it has a little bit of a decorative look. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I'm all back, and I inked around the edge with the gathered twigs, and I sewed around the edge as well. Looks like a napkin, doesn't it? Okay, so let's fold it back together. So we're going to fold 2 of the corners in this side, on the one side, turn it over and fold the other 2 corners this way. Okay, now you're going to fold it like like this. Now you're going to fold it like that. Okay, is that the way of the corners I wanted? Yes. So you've got this and this. So here, to keep this closed, I have a little tag here. I'm going to glue it right here. I folded it in half, and so I'm going to get my glue, and I'm going to put some glue on the corners right here. So this will hold these 2 flaps together. Clean this off, so that you will have a pocket on the inside, 2 pockets on the inside, and 2 pockets on the outside. So we'll glue that closed just like that. These pockets are held in place just because the fold is folded here, and so it makes a pocket. So you have the pocket on the inside, you have the pocket on the outside. Now I am going to go ahead and put, I'm not sure if I want a little glue in the middle or not. I don't think I do. I think I want it just like that. I think it will hold it firm as long as we get this to dry. Isn't that adorable? So with this, I made a few little tags to show you how it's going to look, and then we can make a tag together. I have this tag that will fit right in here like that. And then there's a tag for this side as well. Actually, I made this one for the front. Isn't this pretty? These images came from digitalcollage.com. I thought that was just beautiful in there. Then we can put one in the back, like that, the music page and the butterflies. And then when you open it up, and this is not set yet, Here's another tag that can go right in here. So cute. Now let's make our tag for this side. I thought we could take these and get a little color of blue. I also wanted to cut this right across here, and I can do this straight. I'm terrible at doing it straight. I know some people, they can just clip that and it just looks just fine, and then I go to do it and it's just like a train wreck, a serious train wreck. Okay, so I'm going to mark it. That's what I'm going to do. Just very faintly, just so I can see. I want to save that butterfly. There. And I'm going to put that on here. I'm going to fussy cut this butterfly out, ink around the edges. Alrighty, we cut that off. I inked that. I inked around the edges. I fussy cut the little blue butterfly that we saved and inked around it. But I really don't want this image right here showing. So I think I'm going to take some music paper and cover that up. So let's go ahead and get this down onto our tag, which is a manila envelope that I coffee dyed. So it has that really pretty brown and yellow color. I'm going to kind of position it the best I can to be not crooked on there. And right here, I don't want, see how there's another butterfly right there? Well, that's kind of, I just don't want that because I want this here, and that just looks like a train wreck right there. So let's go ahead and ink this up real quick, this little piece of music page. I think it's going to fit right here. This is my idea. And then maybe glue this right here. And then have this down here to kind of pull it all together. So let's do that. I hope everyone's doing fine today. It's kind of partly cloudy today. It's still a little cool, but they keep telling us that it's going to warm up. I did go out yesterday and I planted, about 390, almost 400 little plants that I had started from seed, and I planted some more seeds, and my hands are like screaming at me, but it had to be done. Absolutely had to be done. I still haven't got my tomatoes in yet, but that's another huge job. Okay. Oops. Let's get this on right like this. Oh, I think that looks beautiful. All right, I'm going to sew around the edge, and then we'll look at it all put together. All right, you guys, let's look at this tag. Oh, I think that's really pretty. Nice place to journal on. Here is our pockets, our pocket book. It's kind of a pocket book. Fits in just like that. Is it that adorable? You open it up, 2 more pockets on the inside. Oh, you guys, I had so much fun. And if y'all enjoyed it as much as I did, I'd love you to subscribe and to join my YouTube family. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.